So oh, that's handy, there's a clock there. I'm starting this test at 12:30 on a Saturday. I've just basically took two identical and broken leaves from off the same tree, and one on the left I've just used tap water. Now obviously tap water will have a slightly lower pH alkaline level than something like mineral water or real pure water, but at the end of the day, you know, they probably do put stuff in our water and it's not as fresh as it is off the mountain. But I've just used general tap water for one, and then you have vinegar on the right here, which of course will be highly acidic. So the test is going to be just to see what happens to these leaves and how long it takes, and basically to test whether the water is acidic and, you know, dangerous to drink. I don't think anyone would last too long if they were drinking vinegar. People might say, oh, you know, it's the taste or the colouring that you can look at water and think that it's going to be dangerous. You could use that, but that's not true. I mean, something like cyanide, I think it was, that the mafia used to use. Colourless, tasteless, dissolvable in water, clear. You know, you can't smell it. You can't. And what happens? You know, it kills you in minutes. So you know, when Wormwood comet is up there spraying particles across the earth, which then finds its way into the water system, the water might be clear. You know what I mean? This is why I'm doing this test for people. If they're there during the second trumpet blast and they see that comet up there blazing like a torch, then, you know, even though I trust in God and trust it over my body and stuff like that, I would still use it, some sort of test, to see if the water is toxic or not. Let's watch it. Justin Roberts, from End of the Age, Bible Prophecy. So here we are, a couple of days later after I put these leaves into this one was the one that went into the water, and obviously you can see it's still green, still very much green. Some poor lighting in here. There you go. As you can see, it's very much green still. But this one here, it's got a very brown colour. So obviously it's begun to die. So that was after 2 days. I've just gone to check them, but the time that it takes for a leaf to die in it might be 1, 2 or 3 days, who knows. It depends what this wormwood particle that comes down would actually be. If it was cyanide or something bad, then I expect the acid level would be pretty high and that leaf would die even quicker. But I imagine that if I left this leaf in water, that it would probably stay alive for a long period of time.